Hello guys, so again I am here and today we are going to solve about the majority element, like finding the maximum majority element in an array. So it's a very interesting question and let's start doing this question. Like if you are taking 5 elements and it's one, two, three, four, four. So in this there is no majority element because it should occur like exactly more than 2. So it will be 4. Yeah, it's 4. Like not like it should occur greater than n by 2. So it should greater than 5 by 2. So it will be greater than 2. So there are no elements, so that's why it won't print anything. But if it is like 1 2 4 4 4, so the print it should print 4. So we will see both the brute force as well as optimal solution for this. So first we will go for the brute force. For the brute force we are going for the unordered map, and for the optimal we will go for not for the unordered map. Let's see, we will do the different method in that. So first we will use the unordered mapping for the brute force. Like it's very easy code. Unordered map where we will include hash include unordered map, unordered map. It's a header file for including the unordered map in this compiler, online C++ compiler. Else you can use the bit slash slash dot in as well. It's your choice. Int array of n, int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. We are taking all the n elements and then we are making a unordered map. Int comma int mpp, and then what, int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus mpp of array of I plus plus. Now here we were checking the condition if mpp of array of I is greater than n by 2. So we will print array of I, and here we will put return 0. Or else if there is no element which is occurring more than n by 2, it will print cout minus 1. Okay, let's run the code and we will take one example. 5 1 2 2 2 and 3, so it have 4 whatever, so it will print 2. Now let's say if we are taking 5 1 2 2 2 3 3, it will print minus 1. So this is the optimal, not optimal solution, because when we are going for the worst case, it is storing big of n for the frequencies. Like if every element is having other like 1 2 3 4 5, so it will go for each loop and it will store the space. Like the frequencies will be different for each, like for 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1, like that. So that's why it's big of n for the space complexity for this question. Now we will go for the different approach, that is more optimal approach. So the same code will be till here, and now here we will change. Like what we will do, we will just make int count equals to 0, and we will make int candidate equals to array of 0. Now here it will go for int I equals to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. Now here we will check if array of I equals to candidate. So here we will do count plus plus. Else what we will do, sorry, else what we will do, count minus minus. Now here again we will check if count equals to 0. So what we will do, we will just make candidate equals to array of I, and here we will make count equals to 1, and here also we will keep count value as 1. Okay, now here again we will go for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. If array of I equals to candidate, we will do count 1 plus plus. Here we will check the condition if count 1 is greater than n by 2, we will just